this isn't going to be a long tutorial. Name it videos, tutorial, page layout, no sidebar, save draft. Use the Divi builder, build from scratch. There's going to be 2 rows. First row is just going to be a text module. The second row is going to have 2 text modules. This first one, I'm going to go into the section settings, just remove all the spacing. So I'm going to set all the padding and margin to 0. We have a few videos on spacing that I highly recommend on our YouTube channel. Okay, so the section background, I want a dark blue. And then I'm going to go into the row settings. So this is 2 text modules. I'm going to go, actually, no, this is not right. I need 1 column here. So for the sake of things, I'm just going to copy and paste text here. Instead of retyping it, then this is a heading 1. I'm going to go into the design settings, heading text, H1, text alignment center. I'm going to make it orange. I'm going to increase the heading text size to 30 to 40. All the heading text I'm going to center, so H1, H2, H3, I'm going to center. Okay. Put this here. I'm going to change the text color to orange. There we go. And then for the row heading here, I'm going to change the spacing to 0. That'll move everything to the top. Okay, the sizing must be off, so I'm going to go into sizing, set equal to 100%. I want it to be more up. Set this to center. The sizing will increase the padding in the section. I'll set the top padding to 20. Set up the bottom. I want to make it 200. It's too much. Make it 100. Same with the bottom. Doesn't really look good. Let's change H3 to white. There we go. Let's actually make this bigger. Let's do font size. Let's do 30 pixels. There we go. I also want there to be some spacing there. The line height, I'm going to increase the line height to 1.2, 1.3. I'm going to do it for H3 also. There we go. There's too much spacing on the top, and so I want to make and bottom. So I'm going to set this to 80. There we go. Go down here. Another section. I'm just going to do one of these. So do a text and another text. And here I would just embed the video. We have a video on embedding videos from YouTube and embedding videos in general, which I recommend watching. So you would go, let's Let's see. Oh, here's a video. Okay. Here. I'll just have the video description, which would be test video. So let's do a heading 2. Let's increase the text size a little bit. There we go. Spacing to the left, I'm going to remove the margin. Save draft. Exit Visual Builder. Save and exit. That is it. I hope you liked the video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.